we're on the way to the peak. It's gonna be a big day.
She dead. Asleep.
Pretty nice little trail. We're doing the Penguin 6 trail that we did in 2015 with Andrew Luang. Pretty good spot. Unfortunately, it is windy today, so that marks another day that I can't fly my drone. And also it's quite sunny out, which is quite lovely to see.
So I found this awesome spot. There's a roof here overlooking the harbour. I think that's the most incredible shot of Hong Kong ever, like by far. You doing this? Hey, you see your fan base? Hey. What? How did you do? We're currently in Quarry Bay. Matt has this one photo spot that he's been busting my ass about, wanting to go there and take it. It's just a sick building and you get a sick shot. So let's go. We made it. Looks sick. What on earth?
Awesome spot and an awesome little suburb here. There's buildings galore. Next stop, Diamond Hill to Kowloon Nunnery. Let's go.
Matt, where are we off to?
We are off to Kowloon Peak.
How long does it take to get there?
By bus.
And what's up there?
Review.
Sounds good, thanks Matt.
You're welcome.
So we are almost at the top of Kowloon Peak here, very close to it, and it has been an excellent climb, but can't wait to get to the top.
Currently, I'm currently dying. You go around over there. You right?
Alright, so I'm currently in Wampo, which is a really cool place. A bit short on time. I've got to get back to North Point in about an hour and a half. And I've realised a cool spot to fly the drone, but the problem is I've got to launch it somewhere. So this is the most open place I could find in the whole suburb, which is in the middle of a complex of buildings. So I've got to fly it out through the buildings and over that way, and then get the shot I need. So there's a few people here. This could go badly, but we'll try. There's like kids and stuff around, so I kind of don't feel as great as I could have. Home point hasn't been updated. I've got to figure out how to update the home point. The home point cannot be updated, but we'll just hope for the best. Okay, so that was an unsuccessful drone shoot purely because of the fact that it didn't have GPS tracking on it, which meant that it couldn't fly more than 8 meters in height, which was really annoying. So I've decided to go to another spot, and if that doesn't work, I'm out of here because we are really running short on time now, like really short. I've got to get back to Patrick's in half an hour, and then I'm off to the airport pretty much. But okay, so I found another potential spot. There's a security guard just over there. Fingers crossed it works. So, sort of through the place to fly a drone, I have to say.